These viral anime ASMR cooking videos are taking over social media right now. And the craziest part? This niche is still completely unsaturated. Most people haven't even noticed it yet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like these without spending a single dollar. Yep, $0. So let's get into it. First, open the master prompt. You'll find the link in the pinned comment. Once you're there, copy the entire master prompt. Now open Claude AI. If you prefer ChatGPT, that's totally fine too. It works just as well. Once inside, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. After just a few seconds, Claude AI will ask you to choose a character. You can select male, female, or even upload your own reference character. For this tutorial, I'm choosing female, so I simply type female into the prompt box and hit send. A few seconds later, Claude AI gives you a list of 10 different food items to choose from. Pick whichever one you like. For this example, I'm choosing ramen, which is number 1. So I simply type 1 into the prompt box and hit send. And just like that, Claude AI generates a highly detailed video prompt. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and select the Omni Flash video model. Once everything is set up, paste your video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. It usually takes about a minute. And there it is. Our video is ready. Take a look. The video looks absolutely incredible. Calm, satisfying, and genuinely enjoyable to watch. The anime character, the cooking animations, the atmosphere, everything comes together perfectly. Honestly, watching it made me hungry. I guess that's a side effect of making food videos. Now, download the video in the highest resolution available, because we're not stopping at just one. Let's create another one. Go back to Claude AI and simply choose a different food item from the list. This time, I'm picking number 3, which is fried rice. So I simply type 3 into the prompt box and hit send. As you can see, Claude AI instantly generates another detailed video prompt. Copy that prompt, head back to Google Flow AI, paste it into the prompt box, make sure you're still in video generation mode, and click generate. Wait a few more seconds. Boom. Our second video is ready as well. Download both videos, and that's literally it. The process is that simple. No complicated editing, no expensive software, and definitely no reason to overthink it. Your biggest problem now is deciding what to eat after watching all these cooking videos. So that's the complete method. If you want to discover more viral AI niches before everyone else jumps on them, check out my channel, AI Excentra. I regularly share new AI content ideas, workflows, and opportunities that are still flying under the radar. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next viral AI niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.